To replace this wiper arm, I'm going to pop off this cover. You can just do it with your fingers. Pull it kind of up and out, but also wiggle it at the same time. You have a 10mm nut here. Remove that. And with that removed, you can take the wiper arm itself. And usually if you wiggle it back and forth, it'll break free off the stud. Perfect. Now you take the wiper, turn it 90 degrees, and then pull it straight out. That'll unhook itself. Attach it to the new wiper arm, and then attach the new wiper arm to the wiper motor shaft here. Before you tighten it, make sure it's in position. The shaft here has some splines, and if you get it one tooth off, then your wiper will sit in the wrong position. So right there. Perfect. That's exactly what I want. All right, now that I have it exactly where I want, go ahead and put the cap back on and give it a test if you want to.